So welcome once again students in the online classes presented by Chandra Public School Mavu. Here it is the question number 3rd of exercise 3.3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if and three conditions are given there. For each and every condition you need to check that the parallelogram will be ABCD will be a parallelogram or not. Here I am going to give the solution for the first condition. It is given angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So students, if I am going to draw a quadrilateral like this, suppose that it is A, B, C, D. It is given that angle B plus angle D is 180 degree. So here if angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree, it is not necessary that it will be a parallelogram. What is the reason? The reason is that you know the definition of the parallelogram. In the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So one condition is there that the opposite angle should be equal and the sum of adjacent angles should be 180 degree. It means this angle D plus angle A equal to 180 degree, या angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, या you can say angle D plus angle C equal to 180, या angle A plus angle B equal to 180. But here it is given angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So it will be the parallelogram only in the case of rectangle या square. If I am going to draw a rectangle, so each and every angle will be 90 degree here. If it is a rectangle or a square, then each and every angle will be 90 degree. Suppose that it is A, B, C, D. So rectangle or square is also a parallelogram. So here the sum of opposite angles, angle B and angle D is 180 degree. So here it is a parallelogram. But here if you are not going to draw the rectangle or a square, then in the other quadrilateral it will not be a parallelogram. So here A, B, C, D, it is not a parallelogram, but here it is a parallelogram. So you can give, you can write that it may or may not be a parallelogram. So students, only it will be a parallelogram in the case of rectangle or square, but here in the other cases it will not be a parallelogram. So you can write it, it may or may not be a parallelogram. Now here second. Now it is given that AB equal to DC equal to 8 centimeter. Suppose that AB is 8 centimeter and DC is also 8 centimeter. After that it is given AD equal to 4 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter and BC is 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. So you need to check that it is a parallelogram or not. So here in the parallelogram both pair of opposite sides should be equal. Here AB and DC are equal, but AD and BC are not equal. So here these two pair of opposite sides are not equal, that's why it is not a parallelogram. So here you can write, since AD is not equal to BC, it means opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD are not equal. So ABCD is not a parallelogram. Not a parallelogram. So students, when a quadrilateral will be a parallelogram when both pair of opposite sides are equal. Here only one pair of opposite sides are equal, second pair is not equal, that's why it is not a parallelogram. Now third condition is given if in the parallelogram angle A equal to 70 degree, angle A equal to 70 degree and angle C equal to 65 degree. Here ABCD, it is given that angle A equal to 70 degree and angle C equal to 65 degree. So here if ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite angles should be equal, but here angle A and angle C are differ. So here you can write angle A is not equal to angle C it means opposite angles are not equal in quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is not a parallelogram. So ABCD is not a parallelogram. So here I had given the reason why it is not a parallelogram. So kindly note down the solution of the question number 3. Now students, here it is the question number 4. Draw a rough figure of the quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So you need to draw a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite angles will be equal and which will not be a parallelogram. So students, if you are going to draw a kite, in the kite one pair of opposite angles will be equal and it will not be a parallelogram. So here I am going to explain how you will draw. So first you need to draw a straight line of any length. Suppose that if I am going to draw it 4 centimeter. So again from here you can make any angle and you can draw another line with the same length, that is 4 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter, it is also 4 centimeter. Now here you need to make, you can draw any angle, like if I am going to draw here 70 degree with the help of compass, protractor. If you are going to draw angle, suppose that if it is 70 degree, and here also you need to draw 70 degree angle. Here also you need to draw a 70 degree angle. So you will get that it will be a kite. Here this side equal to this and here this side equal to this. So it is not a parallelogram, but here this pair of opposite angles are equal. So here it will be a kite. So draw a kite in which adjacent sides are equal. There you will find one pair of opposite angles will be equal. Now students, here it is the question number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here you are given the ratio between the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Suppose that if I am going to draw a rough diagram of a parallelogram, suppose that here it is a parallelogram ABCD. So here it is given that the ratio between the measure of the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Suppose that if I am going to take angle A and angle D, these are the adjacent angles. So the ratio between these angles are 3:2. It means if it is 3x, then it will be 2x. So here you will take, let first adjacent angle of parallelogram equal to 3x. Then second adjacent angle of parallelogram equal to 2x. So the ratio was given between the adjacent angles, so I had taken 3x and 2x. Now if these are the adjacent angles, so what is the relation between the adjacent angles of a parallelogram? The sum will be 180 degree. So here you can write 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. You can give the reason adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram. 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 180 degree. It shows that x equal to 180 degree upon 5, that is equal to 36 degree. So what is the value of x? 36 degree. So first angle equal to first angle of parallelogram, that is equal to 3x. It is equal to 3 into x is 36. 3 into 36 degree, that is equal to 3 6 18, 3 3 9 1 10, 108 degree. In the same way second angle of parallelogram equal to 2x. Here it is 2x, then 2 into 36 degree, it is equal to 72 degree. So if it is 108 degree, it is 72 degree. And you need to find all the angles of the parallelogram. Here it is given, find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So students, in the parallelogram 4 angles will be there, and you got the first and second angle. So here in the diagram, if it is 108 degree, then it will be also 108 opposite angles of the parallelogram. If it is 72 degree, then it will be also 72 degree. So here you can write third angle of the parallelogram equal to 108 degree. It is 108, angle A is 108, then angle C will be also 108. And in the same way, fourth angle of the parallelogram equal to 72 degree. So these are the angles of the parallelogram. Now students, here it is given the question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. In the previous question, we were given the ratio between the adjacent angles, and here it is given that both the adjacents are equal. So here I am going to take, let first adjacent angles of parallelogram, it is equal to x. Then second adjacent angles of the parallelogram equal to also x. It is given that both the adjacent angles are equal. So if first one is x, then second will be also x. And you know that sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram equal to 180 degree. So here you can write x plus x equal to 180 degree. Then 2x equal to 180 degree. Here it shows that x equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So here if I am going to draw a rough diagram, suppose that it is A, B, C, D. So here these two are the adjacent angles. So if it is 90 degree, then it is also 90 degree. You know that in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So if it is 90, then it will be 90, its opposite, and if it is 90, then its opposite angle will be also 90. So here all the 4 angles are 90 degree. You need to find each and every angle of the parallelogram. So you can write measure of each of the angles, if of the angles of the parallelogram that is equal to 90 degree. Each and every angle of the parallelogram will be 90 degree. Now students, here it is the question number 7. The adjacent figure HOP is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure x, y, z. State the properties you use to find them. So here HOPE, it is a parallelogram, and you need to find the value of x, y, z. So I am going to explain that you need to solve by yourself. It is similar a question given in the question number 2, one of the part, that was 5th part. It is similar to that. So here if it is 70 degree, then what will be this angle? That will be 180 degree. So what is the value of this angle? So 180 minus 70, that you will get 110 degree. So first you will get this angle 110 degree. After that x equal to 110 degree. What is the reason? Opposite angles of the parallelogram. In the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So HOP is a parallelogram. So here both the opposite angles are equal. So you get the value of x will be 110. If it is 110, so you got the value of x 110. Now here it is 40 degree. So here HE and OP are the parallel lines. It is like this, and one line is intersecting. So these two are the alternate interior angles. So if it is 40 degree, then it will be also 40 degree. Then you will write y equal to 40 degree alternate interior angle. So here you will get y equal to 40 degree. After that, if it is 110, it is 40, and you need to find z. So here HOP, that is a triangle. So the sum of the angles of the triangle will be 180 degree. Then here you will write 110 degree plus 40 degree plus z equal to 180, angle sum property of the triangle, and after that you will get the z. So solve this question by yourself. Now thank you students. In the next video I will discuss rest of the questions of the exercise 3.3.